Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Chelsea. I collect cute things, I make cute things, I sell cute things, I just really like cute things. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing these. So these are the new Molinta blind boxes. They are the Yummy series. As soon as I seen these on one of those Instagram pages, which basically just shows you like what designs and stuff are coming soon, I could not get enough. Like honestly, I was like, I have to have these. They got the little like taco little dudes on that. They got the little tempuras on. I will show you all the little characters in just a second. But yeah, these here are the new Molinta boxes, and I don't know, I've got a thing for Molinta boxes, to be honest, because I had previous ones and the quality of them has been insane. I think that's just because they're from Finding Unicorn. So these boxes themselves were sent over from Finding Unicorn. I've never had a problem with them in the past. They have recently been in a lockdown in like the local area, so shipping and stuff was a little bit kind of delayed, but yeah, what can I say? That's the kind of world we're living in recently, isn't it? But yeah, all in all, very good service. I've ordered them from them personally before. The shippings remain the same, in great kind of packaging, everything like that. And yeah, the quality of the actual pieces is superb. So what's not to love? The quality of these boxes, I always like to talk about the packaging and stuff. Lovely. It's like a matte with the glossy kind of print bits on there as well. We've got all of the character designs on here. Not a single one that I dislike. I love the little tempura car. We've got the tempura, obviously Molinta in like tempura costume. Look at the mayonnaise. What has she even got on her nose? I just love them all. Even this one, look, a little frog in a cup of noodles. Just adorable. Yeah, so this is what the boxes look like. Let's have a little kind of turn around. Like I said, these are from Finding Unicorn, so I'll leave all of their links, everything like that, down in the description, including a link to these exact blind boxes if you want to check them out yourselves. I have 4 here today, so we're just going to crack on, get opening them, and see the characters that we get. Ooh, love that up there. Feels like a sticker. It's not. It looks like a sticker. I thought it was for a second. But yeah, let's get started. I always like to avoid the little cards that are in here. I'll go through them and show them on screen once I've kind of opened them up. Just like the surprise myself. Oh. Look at this bag. Oh, that's so cute. Almost looks like a pack of noodles, doesn't it? But yeah, we've got little Molinta there, we've got the frog, and we've got the little kind of octopus there. Look at that. Oh, this is such cool packaging. It literally looks like a pack of noodles. I love that. Okay, let's get into it. Oh. Is that the broccoli? I think it's the broccoli one. Yeah. Broccoli, boom. Love that. I absolutely love broccoli, by the way. Like, loads of people think I'm really strange for it, but I just love eating broccoli. Like, I will eat broccoli all day long. Let me know down in the comments if you like broccoli yourself. Anyway, this is the figurine. Oh, gorgeous quality. A really nice soft touch matte, which is something I love about Molinta figurines. Oh, love that. Cute little clear acrylic stand there, perfect for displaying. Love little horns. Oh, this is so funny. Oh, I love that. I actually keep little green figurines over on another shelf of mine, so I'm definitely going to put that one out on display after this video. The next one. Oh, the cards come out. Don't look at it. This one feels like quite a chunky one. Let's open that. I don't want to like rip the top of the packaging off. Let's see who this is. Oh, we got the frog in the noodles. Oh, I was actually secretly hoping we would get that. Oh my goodness gracious me, look at that. He's just like swimming almost like it's like in a little hot tub. Oh, I love that. Again, a little bit of green on that. That green looks real nice with this one. That's definitely gone on display with my other little green figurines. Oh, look at that. I know so many people will love that one. The bottom here is kind of like just like a hard plastic, and then this one here is like the typical Molinta kind of figurine. Really nice. Really like that one. So happy to have that one. I am really hoping we're going to get a tempura one. Come on, fingers crossed. Oh, this one here also feels quite big. Who's this one? Let's have a look. That is my number one. Oh my goodness. Hold on. That's a bone. I thought it was a tempura car. Wait. It's a chicken. It's fried chicken. Oh, I thought it was a tempura car. I was thinking it was a bit odd that they had two tempuras. I wasn't complaining. But, oh, it's a chicken. Oh, come on. We've got to get that tempura one. Otherwise, I'm going to need to buy some more of these. This was my number one because I thought it was going to be a tempura. Oh, my. I can't complain. Look how cute it is. It even has, like... Oh, the wheels even move. Oh, that was so funny. Look at that. I honestly thought that was a tempura. Oh, well, we have a chicken car. Brum, brum. Oh, yeah, the wheels actually work. Oh, I love that. That's so adorable. Chicken. Oh, I didn't show you the frog noodle one. There's that one as well. Let's move on to the fourth and final one for today. I'm still hoping for a tempura. Any of the others, honestly, I'm not going to be disappointed by it. And I might just have to get a couple more of these. So let's open this. I'll open it the way it's probably supposed to be opened. Oh. Oh. There we go. Oh, look at that one. Oh, it's a little pig. Is it a pig? Is it an apple or tomato? I'm going to say it's a tomato. And I'm going to say that one there's like pak choy or bok choy, whatever you want to call it in your country. In our country, we call it pak choy mainly. But I believe they're the same, exactly the same thing. Okay. I think these two are my new favourites. No tempura, sadly, and no little octopus, but what can you do? These ones here are going to be going on my main shelf, I'm sure. If not, they might be going in the background of my video because I do have a couple of small ones over on a shelf over there. Oh, these are so nice. So we've got the glossiness on this one and then the soft touch matte on the kind of pak choy there. Love them. I don't know what character this is. He almost looks like a little bear or something, and obviously you've got a little pig. Won't complain about that. So yeah, we've got the chicken car. We've got the frog cup noodles, and at least we got one Molinta character in here. That one there is definitely going to be going on display on my green cabinet, and obviously these little cuties. So yeah, overall very, very happy with these. Still, I would really like the main kind of one herself, the crispy tempura Molinta in a little tempura costume. The mayonnaise one is so cute as well. Oh, and the octopus Bobo. Oh. Oh, I love the look of all of those. So yeah, let me know which one out of these ones was your favourite, if you've got your eye on any of the ones on here as well. A big thank you to Finding Unicorn to send me these out today. Really, really enjoyed opening these up. Thank you so, so much for joining me today on today's video. I will be back very soon for another one, maybe with another unboxing coming very soon as well. But yeah, thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you very soon for another video.